Hello, good morning. Now we go to the yet another subtopic of T.S. Eliot. We have been discussing some biographical sketch area related to T.S. Eliot. Now we slowly go to different subtopics of tradition and individual talent. Do you know that questions will be very easy from this area, but we have to concentrate and study in detail all the areas that we referred so many stages like topic, tradition and individual talent, historical sense as a topic, theory of impersonality, then poetic emotion, what type of significance did T.S. Eliot give for the term emotion. Once you compare to Wordsworth, emotion was a prominent factor in the field of literature, and based on emotion, Wordsworth and the Romantic poets had been searching and researching. Now in 20th century modern trends discuss especially T.S. Eliot. As such, he denounced what is called emotion, and that we will have to discuss. Then his tools like objective, correlative, plus disassociation of sensibility as a tool that we have to discuss. So today's class, I mean that we can go through the background of T.S. Eliot during the 20th century, now as we live in 21st century. So we call very modern critics, writers and poets, among which T.S. Eliot has been declared as a very modern poet, and that we referred Wasteland, a very famous poem. Without the topic that you cannot go through the postgraduate studies in future. So we go to historical sense and age of T.S. Eliot. First topic is general currents of age. All right, you can cooperate general currents. What all the areas, general currents of the age, we call of the age. What that we make a small discussion on what is called general currents. First, you keep in mind the world under T.S. Eliot was a post-war era, because in the whole world, there was an anarchy prevailed because of the two world wars, World War First and World War Second. So a chaotic situation was prevailed in all the metropolis cities of the countries. All capital cities of countries, there had been a chaotic situation where people do not believe each other. People feel a type of annihilation. People believe a type of separatism, and countries' borders have becoming burning borders for the soldiers to keep. So type of disbelief among the people, among the generation, and what is called 21st century, later part of 20th century and 21st century, we see that there is no relation between even the kinsmen or even the relatives. So such a chaotic situation made T.S. Eliot think after the two world wars and the relation broken between the human beings, which made T.S. Eliot to think what type of annihilism, what type of futility, what type of disillusionment, what type of dejection, what type of unhappiness is prevailed among the society. So once we approach T.S. Eliot as a modern poet, we should concentrate or focus our concentration from the age of T.S. Eliot till this moment. Such a disillusionment not merely among the countries and different developed countries, at the same time, also we find even the relation between one and another human beings. So there is no type of strong, sincere attitude or sincere approach we find among all the people. So better we can understand such broken age is 20th century, where first so many reasons are for that. First reason, even indirectly puts by Saxena or the writer on T.S. Eliot, he says, all right, even Ezra Pound, he says, all right, what is called this annihilism? We find in T.S. Eliot's period is growth of overpopulation. So the general reason is population growth. All right, population growth. All right, that is one of the points. Wherever there is no control over the population of all different countries, and China is not being the first one in the present scenario. So even China is declared to be the populist country, but all the countries have overgrowth population, and this population made no relation between human beings. Even the relatives have no, even the blood relations have no real connections. So this world war and population and also world wars, all right, first world war and second world war made a lot of troubles in the world. Then complete sense of fear. This world war caused a sense of fear, all right, a sense of fear among the people. At any moment, what thing may happen future, so we have no idea. But this disillusionment is the result of all these type of sub-causes. One area is like that, so our growth, complete sins, and all people are totally facing anxiety or anxious. All right, anxious. We feel anxiety everywhere. What we call, what is going to happen, what will happen in future. Even the world wars now happened. What is going to happen? Nobody knows in the correct way. So many small reasons which caused a type of annihilism or which caused a type of dejection among the people. So there is no other way. What we can say, not merely disillusionment, but also everybody is unhappy. Why unhappy? This type of small causes really made a result on this matter. Then once currents of the age we go, at the same time we go to the another stage, political background. All right, political background. All right, we go political background in the countries, in all the countries, some dictators became the rulers. Dictators, what is called totalitarian nature. People, what is called dictators. What is called, so many dictators took power, just like Stalin, or just like Khrushchev, just like Hitler. All these people, all in 20th century, made their country as a selfish rulers. They owned their country and they wanted their country to be the first country, the best country, the richest country in the world. So there was a tight competition which was prevailed in the 20th century during the period of T.S. Eliot to write the poems. So many wars happened. No sense of security. These dictators took so many wars. Not merely the First War, Second World War, so many other wars also happened because of the selfish nature of the dictators, you mean. So we find no sense of security, no sense of security. We find no security at all. At any moment, there will be damages caused by different bombs. Like once you live in Kashmir, border place, Pakistan occupied Kashmir area, Pak area, that we go and settle at any moment. We are not sure whether we see tomorrow morning. At any moment, there will be a clash or bomb explosion. So in such area, once we live, we lose our security. So this is called political background. So not merely general currents what we find before reaching the 20th century literature. Then we go to the political background. During this time, at the same time, we find an intellectual, intellectual uplift. This third point. You can copy down intellectual uplift. There was an intellectual uplift cross currents, intellectual uplift. In 18th century, 19th century poets, that age or those age of reason, then age of romanticism, 18th and 19th century, totally broke down. So intellectual uplift, crossed, age of reason plus romanticism, headed by Wordsworth and Coleridge, P.B. Shelley, then what you call your John Keats. These two ages were totally broke down, and a new intellectual uplift, a new intellectual approach in writing literature has become a proper unit of discussion during this period. So it was an outbreak of age of reason, romanticism as such, and has been disintegrated by the new approach of our 20th century poets. So there was a revolt against thought. Revolt against, against thought. That you have to keep in mind. In romanticism, we discussed it was a revolt against nature. There was a problem with age of reason was revolted. Then nature, Aries, romantic poetry has given the uproot for romantic revivalism. Then nature was prominent among these romantic poets. Whereas that in 20th century, T.S. Eliot and others thought nature may be there, nature let it be there, no worry. But intelligence, intellectualism, intellectual brain that we need to write a good poetry, to appreciate a good poetry. So there was a motto, reaching heaven is the motto of life during this time. Buddhist philosophy told reaching nirvana. Buddhist philosophy also. All the people, and not from the beginning, but also in 20th century, 21st century, our aim of life is to reach heaven, or what is called Buddhist philosophy, we call, we should reach nirvana. Mean through the salvation we reach the Creator. So that has also been the matter of discussion during the 20th century. But you know what we find, the fourth point is, all right, the area called scientific uplift. The another topic, subdivision, we call growth of science and influence. All right, growth of science, we call, that may be called growth of science. We have growth of science. Even scientific revolutions happen. Even scientific inventions happen. In economical field, lot of science happened. What do you call scientific? All right, lot of areas called scientific upliftment. All right, that called development of technology. All right, development of technology. This technological development dethroned. What is meant by dethroning or disintegrate the belief, especially the belief of Christians, that there will be hell and heaven. This thought about hell and heaven is being shaken by the development of science in the technology. So during this time, science and technology developed, means what? Education spread. Education spread. All right, everywhere there was a expansion of education. Expansion of education made. High education was the motto by the old people. So many engineering and medical science, even so many in the field of researches, they became scientists. Even present 21st century, that you may be aware that Americans and NASA now plans to create a village in the Pluto. All right, another another planet where they are going to make, all right, in the Mars and Pluto, they are going to make villages for in future generation. People will be directly going to the Mars and Pluto. They are now planning. So such developments happening in the world. So people are having full education, high education, which made them to rethink not merely the principles and philosophies of classicism, the age of the romanticism, or what is called now has been already changed by the outlook of modernism, by the outlook of modern people's education. So, age of interrogation, age of frustration and confusion, all these are happening. Then literature tendencies developed. Now literature tendencies, that also may be copied. Literature tendencies. All right, we got a lot of literature tendencies, different tendencies, governed by realism. In 21st century, no thinking about imagination. All right, there is no first imagination, secondary imagination, fancy, that which gives you pleasure and all that. What is real? What is the realistic factor? That has been the matter of concern by the writers. That is why in 21st century, in 20th century literature, The Wasteland written by the author gives you very, very plain naked truth, that by which we come across, and we cannot hide the real truth. There is no scope for imagination. There is no scope for fancy. There is no scope for thinking, but actual fact, the real fact.
സ്ത്രീ സുരക്ഷാ പദ്ധതി 10% തുക മാത്രം നൽകി കുടിവെള്ളം എത്തിക്കൽ, ജൽ ജീവൻ, ഈടില്ലാത്ത വായ്പ, മുദ്രാ ലോൺ, ജൻ ഔഷധി, തുച്ഛവിലയ്ക്ക് മരുന്ന്, ദേശീയ തൊഴിലുറപ്പ് പദ്ധതി പ്രകാരം കിണർ നിർമ്മാണം 100 ദിനം പൂർത്തിയാക്കിയ തൊഴിലുറപ്പുകാർക്ക് 1000 രൂപ.
So governed by realism and governed by not romanticism. Alright, so there is no scope for romanticism, what is called imagination, no scope for what is called fancy, but new invention and discoveries. You will get literature tendencies, new inventions. Alright, you will get new inventions and discoveries. We know discoveries are discoveries by which something was there earlier, but we are discovering. But inventions means what? We invent. Scientists, by the help and support of the science, they invent new things, novel things, and this would make man's life more comfortable. And no imagination but a real fact put by the scientist is accepted. So we get a lot of inventions and discoveries and growth of science. And what 20th century, especially T.S. Eliot and others, what is his his own people, the group of poets belong to this area or this century. They believe in materialism. They want material things. They are not aware of, they are not giving much significance for abstract ideas, but they give much importance for material things. They will put the real truth in front of you. Then you catch the real fact. Not by the imagination, not by the area where you are transported to find your pleasure in the way of imagination. That had been lost. That had been there when Wordsworth, Coleridge, Shelley, Keats, and Age of Reason, Dryden, all people were there. Imaginations were there, given much overdue importance. But when 21st century come, what is real fact? That they will be expliciting. Feeling of pessimism, novel has become in 20th century and 21st century. You know that you keep in mind. All right, the literature has given much prominence in the way of writing novels. Means what? Number of poets were very less. But once you go to 19th century, then 18th century, 17th century, literature was prominent in the field of poetry. But here in 21st century coming or 20th century coming, you will find more novelists than poets. That is the another feature of this century. So traditional form were thrown out. New trends and innovations they have been choosing. New inventions, new type of connotations in different poems. So what is meant by your new currents of the literature, then fear of anxiety, all right, fear and anxiety in the economic field, all this. Again, I will reiterate the modern trends of historical sense. And first point I discussed, general currents of the age that has been discussed, where lot of troubles, where we got of troubles, all right, people were very much anxious, people were facing disillusionment, people were instabilized, people had unsettled life, people had pessimism of life. All these subjects were making the whole world more complex than 19th century and 18th century. The real social background, Victorian age was shortened, no moral value. All right, in the present century or 20th century, no moral value. That has been, that you put a very important, no moral value. Then even the authority of the parents of the children lost. Authority of the parents over the children in 20th century lost. Social order was in danger. People began to ask, where is God? People began to ask, where is heaven? People began to ask, where is hell? Because based on the scientific inventions, people began to shaken the belief of God or Almighty. Then fear of anxiety happening in the economical world. All people have become what is called selfish, to acquire things and collect things and to make their life more pleasurable in a selfish manner. Just like having something and more than things, and they began to collect and recollect so many things. Then political background, as you know, 20th century, many wars, especially world wars happened. Result, so many people began to suffer and so many countries became poor, so many people died. Even the result of the dictatorship, totalitarianism in communist countries and even Western countries made a whole world just like a burning bowl, in which time nobody is not sure whenever, wherever it will be burned out. But during this time, education growth has been high and all people began to educate themselves, and it resulted in intellectual currents. There was a development in intelligence and growth of science and influence made. So expansion of education, then slowly it came to the end. Literature is not unreal. Literature is real. Literature is not based on imagination. Literature is based on realism. That is why T.S. Eliot says, romanticism, reasoning power, what is called pleasure, all this can be kept away. But in 20th and 21st century, we should experiment what is in our hand. We should experiment what is that we see by our naked eyes. Then we will present and make you understand the real things. This realism is the real factor of subject matter of the poetry. That is the main thing. Once we discuss the background, particularly historical sense background of the poem, which is given in your syllabus, that you prepare step by step some notes and make a paragraph on it. Sometime it will be helpful in the future of your exam. Till that moment, goodbye.